Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. I got it zoomed out quite a ways just because I can show that this whole move that we've been getting, this very overlapping pattern that we've been getting, is very likely a pullback to this move down. Now, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the move down. Price is respecting the 61% again. Now, if it goes down and breaks and holds below structure, I think that that's what's finally going to prove that this wave B is over and that we are back into a downtrend for a wave C. I definitely would want to see a break of structure to believe it. This is a very overlapping, very corrective pattern. So if it doesn't break structure and decides to push back up, I mean, that would be completely normal. You definitely are not really going to miss out if you wait for the break of structure because more than likely after a break of structure, kind of like what happened over here, went down broke structure, you're going to get a three-way pullback. And that three-way pullback is a much safer place to get short for potentially the continuation of the downtrend if this really is a wave B, which is a correction to this whole move down, which is likely a wave A. So that potentially means that the next move down would be a big wave C, which could go all the way down to about $3,000 an ounce. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.